Hello, my name is Minali, and I will demonstrate my CICD pipeline. So this is the high-level overview of my CICD pipeline. I created a sample Spring Boot application and uploaded into the GitHub. And when changes are pushed into the GitHub repository, a Git webhook triggers the Jenkins build, and this when this Jenkins build is triggered, a Docker image is created and it is pushed into the DockerHub. So after that, this Docker image in the DockerHub gets pulled and it gets deployed to the Amazon EKS Kubernetes cluster. So this is my high-level overview of my CI/CD pipeline. So now I will show you my GitHub repository. So this is my Spring Boot sample application. So this is a basic application. So if I go to settings and webhooks, so this is the this is the settings for my webhook. So when there are push events, this webhook is triggered, and then this webhook sends this to the Jenkins, and then the Jenkins build get triggered. So I installed Jenkins in a EC2 instance. So this is my Jenkins EC2 instance, and in this EC2 instance I also installed Maven. So Maven is used for compiling and for building the Spring Boot sample application. So in addition to that, I installed Docker in this EC2 instance, and also I created the Amazon EKS cluster using this EC2 instance. So if I go to my Jenkins dashboard, so this is my Jenkins demo pipeline. So this is the final build. So it is successful. So if I go to configure, so I think I will have to log in again. So this is my Jenkins pipeline. So if I go to configure, so here I specified that I am going to build a GitHub project. So this is my project URL, and then I specified the build trigger as GitHub hook trigger, and I specified that the pipeline script is from the source, and then I specified the source. So this is my repository URL. So I can go to my Jenkins pipeline. This is the Jenkins pipeline, Jenkins file. So here I have specified that script path is Jenkins file. So this is my pipeline. So in this pipeline there are 6 main stages. So first compile and clean. So Maven is used for this, and then stage deploy. So Maven packages this Spring Boot sample application, and then build Docker image, and then this Docker image is pushed into my DockerHub, and then no, sorry. So this is the creation of the Docker image, and then Docker login occurs. So my credentials for my DockerHub are provided, and then Docker login occurs, and after that Docker push occurs. So then this created image is pushed into the DockerHub. So after that Kubernetes deployment occurs. So for Kubernetes deployment, then again AWS credentials are used. So AWS credentials are used, and then log into the AWS CLI, and after that this kubectl deployment YAML is applied. So this is my deployment YAML and service YAML. Both are specified in this file. So here the image is specified as my Docker image from my DockerHub. So this is my service YAML. So here it is deployed into the services in the load balancer. So this is my Amazon EKS Kubernetes cluster. So I only created two nodes because the sample application only has one microservice or one. It is a very simple application, so I only created 2 nodes. So if I go to the EC2 instance, so if I check nodes here, so there are 2 nodes, and if I get pods, so there are four pods. So these are pods are the successful Docker images. So there are two running Docker images. So if I get kubectl get service, and go to this link. So this is the external IP. So this if I go to this link and I specify the path, so according to this application, so this is the path. So if I specify that, I can access my application here. So and additionally, this is my DockerHub. So these are my images I have pushed into my DockerHub. So in addition to that, if I go to my EC2 instance, so I have installed Docker in this Jenkins EC2 instance. So here also I can check Docker images, and I get all the images I have pushed into the Docker DockerHub. So now I will make some change to this application and show how my CI/CD pipeline works. So I will change this to welcome to my deployment. So it is committed, and what happens is this so this webhook must get triggered, but there is a problem in my so this webhook did not work because I previously stopped my EC2 instance. So this one I previously stopped this EC2 instance and then started it again. So because of that, this IP address was changed. So I updated my IP address and I deleted my webhook and updated the IP address to the new one. So now my webhook is working, I think. So if I go back to my code and now I'm going to change this to again cluster. Now I'm going to commit these changes, and then if I go to my webhook again, so here is in recent deliveries, so this push was sent to Jenkins. So if I go to my Jenkins dashboard and to this Jenkins demo pipeline, so here a new build is getting triggered. So it is halfway through. So the build is successful. So if I check my DockerHub, so the last update was a few seconds ago. This is my latest Docker image. So if I think if I refresh this, no, so it is not working. So I think I have to go to my EC2 instance and get the service again. So here the new image is was not deployed because I need to change the deployment YAML according to the newly created Docker image. So I will do that, and also if the newly created Docker image is similar to the Docker image tag is similar to the previously created one, so it will not deploy the image to the Kubernetes cluster, or Kubernetes cluster will not yeah, Kubernetes cluster will not deploy that. So because of that, I will have to change both the name of the image in the Jenkins file and deployment YAML. So I will add to this and this also I will add 2. So here I will stop this one because like it is it will not work. So let's see how this one works. Okay, now it was successful. Let's see. It, okay, now this is pending. So because it is pending, like it will not work. So I rebuilt the project. So I rebuilt the project again. So it is again successful. So in previous one, this the changes were not displayed because the changes to the deployment YAML and the Jenkins file was sent as two separate uh, GitHub webhook triggers. So because of that, since I cancelled this one, since I aborted this one, so the even though the build was successful, the Docker image was not created and deployed successfully. So it was not created and deployed successfully. So because of that, I built this again, and now this is working. So if I go to my VM and get pods, so this is running. So this one 14 minutes it is running. So that is it for my video. So for this continuous deployment, Spinnaker is the best choice, but due to time constraints, I could not use Spinnaker for the deployment. So when using Jenkins only, so when using Jenkins pipeline only to deploy this Docker image to the Kubernetes. So when you do that, I have to change this Docker image tag again and again. So for this, I can use Helm. but due to time constraints, I cannot, I was not able to do that. So thank you.